Today, we're going to be making delicious burnt Basque cheesecake. Let's start by mixing cream cheese and sugar until they're well combined. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Then, add an egg and some vanilla extract and give it another good mix. Add cornflour, 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, lemon juice and a pinch of salt. And stir until everything is nicely combined. If you're loving this video so far, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, share with your friends, leave a comment below, and hit that subscribe button. Pour the cheesecake into the prepared pan. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. And bake it for about 45 to 50 minutes. Remove from the oven and cool and chill in the refrigerator for 6 to 7 hours.